Whoa, 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 whoa. You know I can't just let y'all walk in like that. I gotta make sure y'all rock with me first. When I say mouse, you say trap. Mouse. Trap. Mouse. Trap. All right, y'all good. What are we waiting for? Let's get straight to it. Yeah.
Mouse on the track. Y'all know what it is. I put some respect on my mother. I need you to stop what you're doing wherever you at and go a little something like this. When I say mouse, you say trap. Mouse, mouse. When I say mouse, you say trap. Mouse, mouse.
What's up, Mouse Trap family? It's your girl Nyla, and welcome to the Mouse Trap. Yeah! So I'm back, guys, and today I'm gonna be doing a baking video for you guys. I'm gonna be baking it's called, this is the box. It's called Funfetti Oreo cookie pieces. So it's supposed to be like a brownie or something like that, and I'm gonna be, well, basically I'm just gonna be baking it with you guys. But this is the ingredients. So we have the eggs. We have the olive oil, the ham, milk. We have the mixer my mom uses to mix stuff. A bowl, spoon. This is the mix. This is what the brownie mix looks like, and it comes with cookie pieces to put in it. And yeah, that's all the ingredients. Oh, and I'm gonna be using these utensils. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start and not waste you guys' time, and let's get started. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm honestly reading the instructions off of the back of here. So if I'm doing something wrong, let me know in the comments. But before I get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and that notification bell, you know the thing that go ding, 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 ding. Make sure you click on that, so whenever we drop these amazing bangers, y'all be the first ones to know. But anyways, so I'm reading the back of here. First it says I need a third cup of oil. So I need a third cup of oil. I think I'm supposed to put the mixer in first. Like the brownie mix. Let me do it. I need some scissors. So I need to cut this open. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to put the mixer first. Alright. So I'm gonna pour this in the bowl. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing, so you know what I'm doing. This is the bowl I'm using, but I'm gonna pour this in the bowl. Oh, this is a lot, more than I expected. Let's hope the pan I'm using is big enough. By the way, guys, this is the pan that I'm using. I hope it's big enough. I think it's gonna be big enough. But so it says 1 cup of oil. These. Let me see if I have 1/3 cup. I have half a cup. Okay. So I'm gonna use this one. This is 1/4 cup, but I'm gonna just use it to like right here or something, because same thing. It's not the same thing. I think this is enough. Right? I think this should be enough for you. Yeah. Okay. Now it says 1 1/4 cup of water. Well, I'm not gonna use water. I'm gonna use milk because I don't know. My mom usually makes stuff with milk. Like when it says water, like I have this brownie mix that I usually make, and it tells me to put water too, but I always put milk. I feel like milk makes it more fluffier and makes it taste better. Let me know if y'all agree in the comments. But 1/4 cup of milk. Oh, I have to use the same one I use for the olive oil. I gotta wash this out first. Alright, let me wash this. Alright, so now I pour the milk. Look at the color of this, guys. It's like turning like dark brown. But this one. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So I put in the 1/4 cup of water. Now it says to add 1 egg. Wait, yeah, 1 egg, right? Okay. I was gonna say either 1 egg or egg whites, but I'm gonna add 1 egg. So gotta add 1 egg in here. I think I'm supposed to mix it now. So guys, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna plug in the, I don't know what this is called.
Bruh.
I'm gonna call it a mixer. I'm gonna call it a mixer today. So we're gonna plug in this mixer and put on the things to mix it. And I'm gonna plug it in. I'll be back when I have that set up. Yep. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm back and I'm mixing it. It's a mess, guys. Look at this. I don't think I added enough milk. I think I'm gonna have to add more milk maybe.
He needs some milk.
Oh, never mind. It's working out. But yeah, guys, this is actually kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. It's fun. But yeah, look at it. Look at this. This is, oh my god, I want to eat this right now. This looks so good. Look, guys. It looks like, I don't even know. It looks like mud, but it looks like some good mud. Look at this. This is actually really fun, guys. But yeah, I think it's done. Don't you think? I think it's done. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it up because it has levels on here. I'm on 1. I turn it up to 2. Yeah, but I think this is good now. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, I think this is done. Done. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It looks like mud. I'm gonna taste it. Mmm, it's good. It's really good. Mmm. Woo, that was good. Well, I preheated the oven to 350. I put on 350, and the oven's on right now. I turned it on already. I think that's all I gotta do. Now I gotta spray the pan that I'm gonna use. Where's the pan? So this pan, I think this is gonna be good. I think it's gonna fit. So I'm gonna spray the pan on the pan, and yeah, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. And at the end, I'm gonna make my brother and my dad taste it and see if it's good. So let me spray this. Yeah, I think that's enough. Because we don't want it sticking to the pan now. Because then we wouldn't be able to take it out and eat it. So let me pour this in. Let you guys see me pouring it in. Alright. I gotta let this fall off. This looks so satisfying. Guys, ASMR. ASMR? But yeah, this is satisfying. But I gotta pour it now. Oh, it's making a mess. Let's pour this in the pan. Yeah, this is gonna fit, guys. I need this spoon now. Oh, I gotta reach over there. Oh my god, this looks so satisfying. I want to eat this right now. On the box, I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done pouring this. On the box, it says I need to leave it in the oven to like 30 to 32 minutes, and it should be done. So I'm gonna set a timer on my phone and put it to like 30 to 32 minutes. I'm gonna put 32. No, I'm gonna put 30, and then if it needs extra time. Yeah, I think this is good. There. It's so good. If the cake batter is good, that definitely means the cake's gonna be good when it's done. So now I'm gonna pour the cookie pieces in it. These cookie pieces. Guys, I'm not weak, okay? I'm not weak. I know how to open this. My hands are slippery. I look so weak right now. Okay, I'm gonna cut it because I'm not even gonna embarrass myself anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna pour the cookie pieces in here. Look, let me show you guys. I think that's good. Okay, now it's time to put it in the oven. Before we put it in the oven, guys, we're gonna have a dance break. Can't wait to eat this cake. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Let me put this. But oh, let me show you guys how many minutes it says. It says bake for 30 to 32 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys me putting it in the oven. Guys, I'm kind of scared of the oven. Like when it comes to putting stuff in the oven, I just throw it because I'm too scared of burning myself. So don't mind if I throw it, guys, because I get scared if I like burn myself. Okay, guys, so we're gonna wait, and I'll come back. I'll be back in like 30 to 32 minutes when it's done, and I'll show y'all it, and I'll record my brother and my brother and my dad tasting it to like confirm that it's good, because I already know it's gonna be good. But yeah, so I'll be right back, guys. Bye. Yeah. All right, guys. So it's been 30 minutes, but I'm gonna check with these toothpicks if it's done. My mom taught me this. So let me take it out the oven. I'm gonna take it out the oven. Oh, that looks good. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna test it with the toothpick, but first I gotta take it out. Let me turn the oven off real quick. I'm gonna use these to take it out so I don't burn myself. Okay, guys, this is gonna be very scary. Okay, oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, guys. It looks so good.
That smells good. What is that?
Of course he's gonna smell it. Of course he is.
Good. What you baked a brownie?
Yeah.
Okay. Nah, I ain't making a video. That's what's up. Hey guys. What's up?
Of course he's gonna smell it. He was just zoned in his game. How you smell it? You over here in the game.
Can I be the first one to taste? I'm gonna taste.
You're gonna taste it, but you gotta wait.
Why?
Because you gotta wait. I gotta test it first. And I gotta let the Mouse Trap family taste it first.
Alright, so let me be the one to tell them how it tastes.
Okay, hold on, I gotta see if it's done with the toothpick.
Damn, it's done. It smells good too.
If the toothpick comes out wet, that means it's not done. But if it's dry, okay guys, it's dry. See? Okay, it's done. So my dad's gonna be the first to try it.
Let's go. So come out the side.
Okay, I'm gonna this nice. I wanna try it too. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh my god, this looks so good. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It looks so good.
Let's go.
Okay, let me cut it. I'm gonna cut it like this, right? Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
It's soft too.
Yeah, it's
Right?
soft.
It's crazy. Okay.
Yeah, I could bake a cake, guys. I know.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna give you and Junior this piece to taste. Hold on, let me get a plate for them real quick.
Give me right.
Yeah.
Woo! Crazy, this is my baby's first video, y'all. First baking video.
Yeah, Nyla, you need to slime me a piece too, girl. Everybody gonna get a piece. Yeah, just wait.
Hey, y'all comment down below how she did, alright? Let's go.
Let me take this out. It might rip apart, guys.
You cutting it on the inside too, man. You gotta get the brownie. There you go.
Yeah. Right?
Let me help you out.
Oh.
I just want a little piece first so I can taste.
It's hot. You're burning yourself. He's literally burning it. That's how bad he wanted it.
What's that? Oreo?
Yeah. It's good? Ooh, I want to try some. So good. Okay, your turn, Junior. Take a piece. He's burning himself. Let me try. It's good. Go ahead.
I need milk though, man.
Yeah, he always eats brownies with
Sorry.
milk. This is how he eats it. It's hot, right? It just came out the oven, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna cut y'all all a piece.
But hold up. Did you greet our new guests? Did you let them know what to do? You know what I'm saying? To become part of the family?
Oh yeah. So to become part of the family, y'all know y'all gotta like, comment, and subscribe, and that notification bell, the thing that go ding 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 ding. Make sure you click on that so whenever you drop these amazing bangers, y'all be the first ones to